Hi everyone, RSPCA Inspector Anthony Joins here. Just thought I'd share with you a job that has come to myself and a colleague today on the Wirral. We're in Birkenhead Park and we've had a call about a female mallard. Apparently she did the same last year actually. She's nested in the hollows of a tree, which is a really safe place for the nest. However, now the babies are born, she is trying to encourage the chicks out of the nest, and the hollow of the tree where the nest has been and the eggs have hatched, the babies can't jump the height to get themselves out of the hollow, and they can't get out, so they really need to get with her today and be reunited, otherwise they are gonna sadly perish. So we've put a ladder up against the side of the tree, and even with my quite long skinny arms, I've not managed to get down far enough to actually scoop them up by hand. I have got a soft-sided bird net, and the idea is to try and scoop them up one by one. I think it's going to be a bit of a laborious task. I think it's going to involve some scraped arms, but we definitely don't want to leave them. And their mum is actually a really good mum. She's hanging around the bottom of the tree. She's not been scared off by us. She knows her overriding maternal instincts are to hopefully realise that we're trying to help, and she's going to stick around hopefully. So we're going to get them out as quick as we can, and hopefully it'll be a happy ending and we can see them all on the water together, and a job well done. Fingers crossed. I've got something in here. I think I've got something in here, John. Yes.
How many?
One. Call to your mum. Got it?
Yep.
Is she? Oh, here she is. Hello, mum. We're getting them out for you now. We're trying, mate.
Right, yeah. Well done, mate.
I'm worried about these squabs, you know. Here she is. So here, mate. Should we go?
Put me in.
There you go. Make sure there's no dog. Go on. Go on. Go on, guys. Go on.